Hey, what's up guys, it's Will from Driven. Here finishing up this fresh 1000 Morris Minor engine. Had it running for a little while, make sure everything's good. Ready to go back in, inspect on this beautiful British classic 1959 Morris Minor. And I'll keep you updated. And here we have a Tomo balloon. He's rocking it pretty hard. Pretty cool guy to entertain here at the shop. Look at him. Look at him. Look at her go. Holy shit. So come on down to Driven. Have a great show here. Knock yourself out. Alright guys. Let's do this. Burnout set. Hey guys, what do we have here? Yes, it's gonna be the fastest table on the country. That was Tomo's idea. I just built, guys.
Hey, Willy Bob.
What's up?
What you doing?
Oh man, Bondomania here.
Ooh, this is a little delish. Oh man.
Delicious.
Oh man, and look at there's even a lurker. We got a lurker. Oh man, a lurker in the background.
Oh, hey, mask on.
There you go. Hey,
You saw
Willy,
that?
Willy Bob.
We just came
What are
down
you-
from the sky.
Willy Bob, what you doing?
What we doing? What we doing? Come on.
Besides
What we
do,
doing?
besides littering.
What? We're doing some Bondo work here, man.
Woo!
This is Bondomania here. Look at this.
Man, that
Bondomania.
is that like
Hey.
putting pickles and lettuce and
Oh,
ketchup
yeah.
on the
Hey,
burger?
It's Tuesday, right?
Ooh.
Bondo Tuesday. Tuesday's Bondo, man.
Oh man,
Or
that's
however you want to say it. It's reverse or what?
okay.